Just focus, Joshua. You can do it, honey. No, no, no. Play sila bicycle. Okay, you can do it, honey. Good job. Today is May 11. May 11, 2025. Slow down. Mary, follow the anak o, the kuns nak o. Be a model to the youngest nak.
I'm not cutting you. I'm pulling my legs here.
You okay, Joshua? You can do it, honey. You've been riding bicycle for 2 days. Bago na siya kabalong bagbike. Walay kuan. Walay magunit. Good job, Liam. Hi, honey. Good job, Lalab. Oy. It's okay. Focus, focus. You can do it. And slow down, slow down. Good job, good job. Yeah, just like that. Joshua, not too fast nak lagi. Mura ba yung kabaloon? Baguran na siya kabalo. Uy, bata. Hindi rin na sila magtuyok-tuyok. Slow down, slow down. Follow the cones lagi. I know. Follow the cones so that avoid accident na. Good job. Yeah. Just follow the cones. Slow down, honey. Slow down, honey. Slow down, honey. Okay. Ate, slow down. Just wait, honey. No chasing, lalab. Ayan na. Okay, it's okay. Get up. It's normal. Get up. You okay? You okay? Another boo-boo. Another boo-boo. Hold your bike. Mommy, check. Hold your bike. Mommy, check. Another boo-boo. Slow down lagi. Slow down. Balance. No? No boo-boo? Okay. Okay, no boo-boo. Na. Just balance, ha? Slow down. Wait. I told you not to be fast, Joshua. Slow down, honey. Balance. Okay. Mary, wait anak ha. Wait nak, ate. You can do 5 miles per hour or 2 miles per hour here. Yeah, balance yourself. Just balance and put down your legs so that if you think you feel down, just put down your legs. Good job, honey. You can do it, Lala. Good job. Pangkapoy na. Pangkapoy. Ay, nag-melting na inyo up popsicle. What na? The popsicle is melting already, honey.
No, I want to drink it.
You wanna drink it? Oh, it's already melting na. Go check. Oh, it's not melting all the way yet? Oh, you need to drink the juice, honey. Because you want to melt that, and then you drink juice. It's melting already, honey, your popsicle.
I know, but it's not fully.
No?
It's not fully. It's still a little wet.
It's Joshua's melting already, lalab. You have fun? Hi, honey. Oh, she make a Mother's Day card, which is very pretty. Thank you so much for Mother's Day. Oh, so proud of little girl. Ayan. Thank you, Hanak. Thank you, Nak. Ayan. Ako 11 years old. What day today na? March 11, right? Today, March 11, 2025. Ayan. Nagkuha na sila basketball. Now, wala man tayo basketball court nga rin ang sayang yan. Remember I was planning to buy that basketball ring, but I did not because if it's windy, we're gonna fly away. Is it melting, honey?
Yeah.
Okay, good, good. Little girl. Okay, comfortable na love. Yeah, finish your popsicle first before doing your bicycle knock so that you can hold your bicycle. Yeah, today is Sunday. It's a beautiful day, right?
Yeah, it's too hot.
Yeah, it's too hot. Oh yeah, it's too hot to go in the zoo. Nagduha-duha pa mi mo atog zook mo ato ba mi dili unya. Kay init de kaayo. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye, honey. Oh. Bye. Let's see knock because it's hot. It's very hot. No? It's very hot. Oh, your daddy want it, but it depends on your daddy, honey. It's very hard to go. I thought you want the stingrays. You want the... What is that? What is that? What are you doing?
Pour into the gas.
Okay, just pour it, but throw it in the garbage, huh?
No, you can make two bowls in one. Okay.
Liam, you want to remove your helmet neck so that it's not hot. Come on. Remove your helmet, honey. You want to still do your bicycle? Okay. Okay. Just finish your popsicle so that you can hold your bicycle. Okay, bye-bye, guys. Ayan. Hi. Nagbantay ko ani nila diri ah.